Habits that saved me from mental burnout. Picture this. It's 11:47 a.m. on a Tuesday. I'm still in pajama pants, staring at an open email for the past 43 minutes. The only thing I've typed is, "Hi." My coffee's gone cold, my shoulders are at ear level, and I'm wondering if this is what slowly evaporating feels like. That was the day I realized burnout doesn't arrive with a dramatic collapse. It leaks in until you're just a tired ghost hitting refresh on the same inbox like it's about to confess a secret. Most of us try to outwork burnout, more lists, more apps, more caffeine. But you can't out-hustle an exhausted mind. What saved me wasn't some 10-step productivity miracle. It was 8 small, non-negotiable habits. My mental fire escapes. 5 of them I stumbled on through trial and error. 3 I created because I was done gambling with my mental health. Habit 1. The Daily Mental Firebreak. Every morning before I check anything, I write down what I'm not doing today. This nope list is my firebreak. It stops the mental wildfire before it starts. Mine usually has stuff like no checking work emails before 10 a.m., no doom comparing my life to someone's Bali TikTok, no saying yes when I mean I'm already drowning. Boundaries aren't cold walls, they're guardrails. And without them, burnout isn't a matter of if, it's when. But saying no to the world is useless if you can't say yes to stillness. Habit 2. The sacred hour of nothing. 1 hour a day where I owe the world absolutely nothing. Not productive nothing, not catching up nothing, but pure, useless, glorious nothing. I might lie on the floor staring at the ceiling. I might put on music and imagine I'm in a sad indie movie. Why? Because rest isn't a reward, it's fuel. Burnout thrives when your life is all output and no input. But here's the thing. When your life feels like chaos, rest alone can feel impossible. That's why I learned to Habit 3. The micro reset ritual. Pick one tiny visible thing to fix. Not deep clean the house, it's more like clear one counter, delete 10 emails, fold one pile of laundry. When the big picture feels impossible, small wins prove you're not powerless. Psychologists call it the small wins effect. Even tiny progress releases dopamine and rebuilds momentum. And once you have a little momentum, it's time to break monotony in the most ridiculous way possible. Habit 4. The radical play break. We don't burn out just from working too much. We burn out from forgetting we're human. So once a week, I do something that makes 0 sense. Sing badly, build Lego castles, Google tree houses I can't afford. Play is rebellion against a culture that worships productivity. If seriousness is the cage, play is the key. But even with fun, burnout sneaks in when you keep proving yourself over and over. That's where this habit hits like a truth bomb. Habit 5. The Enoughness Check. Whenever I feel that tightening in my chest, the I'm falling behind spiral, I ask, if I already believed I was enough, what would I do differently today? Half the time the answer is, stop pushing. Burnout isn't just overwork, it's overproving. You don't have to earn rest, or joy, or love. But here's what most people miss. Burnout shows up in your body long before your mind notices. Habit 6. The body signal check-in. Every day I pause for 60 seconds. No phone, just noticing. Is my jaw clenched? Am I holding my breath? Are my shoulders rock hard? Your body keeps the score, and it whispers before it screams. Catching those whispers early is how you avoid the full shutdown. And when your mind and body are both crowded, you need a quick emotional pressure release. Habit 7. The one-sentence journal. Forget 5-page diaries. I just write one sentence about my day or my mood. Some days it's felt unstoppable. Other days didn't cry in the grocery store. Progress. And some days it's just, I made it through, and that's enough. That one line has saved me more than any to-do list. This tiny ritual gives your brain closure on the day without turning journaling into homework. And if you really want to prevent burnout, you have to end the day before it swallows you. Habit 8. The digital sunset. Pick a time. Mine's 9:30 p.m. when all screens go dark. No, just one more video. No quick check of messages. Your brain can't rest if it's still on call. Since I started, my sleep is deeper, my morning's calmer, and I no longer wake up feeling like my brain ran a marathon at 3 a.m. In conclusion, burnout doesn't always slam the door. It fades you out until you can't remember what feeling alive felt like. These habits aren't flashy. They're not Instagram aesthetic, but they pull me back from the edge. If you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. You're not a machine. You don't have to earn your right to slow down. You already matter. You already are enough. And maybe the bravest thing you can do this week is give yourself permission to rest before you break.